Diving really deep into the problem, we found the main culprit is not PM2.5, but its tiny size, because of which it can easily enter into our lungs and bloodstream. What if we can adhere these particles together such that they become heavier like soil or sand and just fall off from the air and never enter our lungs? Using fundamental physics such as wave and electrical energy, we have been able to induce magnet-like attracting property onto the pollutant particles. Such that they attract other pollutant particles as they freely fly across the air. This makes hundreds of PM2.5 particles to adhere together, become heavy and fall off from the air. If mounted only on all the public vehicles in a city, the dusky air that hails over it year-round will be clear forever. This way, we can kill air pollution and fight global warming using pollution, the villain itself.